First, take the rolled steel base that has been designed not only to reduce weight, but also increase stability, utilising the downward angle of its four corners. Place the base on the floor and take the first piece of upright, which also includes setup information. Push this into the base socket to the indicated red line. This now creates a stable friction fitting. Next, take the middle piece of upright and simply push together and twist. Take the top piece, push down and twist. Add the transformer cables and the LED light. And attach by hooking onto the top cap. Then, pulling the graphic down, slide across and lock into the base. Hang graphics on the front and rear, creating a double-sided stand. Just take your additional graphic, locate onto the top cap and straighten if needed. Slide down and lock. If additional lights are required, then just plug them into the top cap. Just push the stands together and apply our EasyLink bars, creating a strong magnetic force. Twist stands can also be linked together using a FlexiLink panel. The FlexiLink comprises of a rubber hanger and kicker that allows movement. You may have an instance where graphics do not sit or align correctly. So just take any slack in the graphic, pull taut and carry upward. Place a complete twist spanner over the AV base plate. Position the two bottom uprights onto the base pins and tighten the screws in a clockwise direction. Attach the middle uprights onto the bottom section and secure in place by sliding across the locking mechanism over the joints and tightening the screws. Take the top crossbeam bracket section, which must be positioned between the twist upright and graphic, and push down onto both uprights and again tighten the screws. After attaching the brackets provided to the screen, hook onto the crossbeam section of the AV stand through the graphic aperture.